Hello everyone, today we're gonna see how to use and get started on Figma. Figma is a powerful design tool used for UI or UX, prototyping, and team collaboration. Whether you're working solo or with a team, here's a full walkthrough to help you get started from scratch. First thing you need to do is go to figma.com, then click Get Started at the top right corner. Choose Continue with Google or sign up manually with your email and password. Fill in your name, role, and how you plan to use Figma, and click Create Account. Check your email for a verification link, then click Verify Email. You'll now be taken to your Figma dashboard. To create and manage design projects, you need to be a part of a team. From the dashboard, click Create New Team on the left sidebar. Enter a team name and then click Create Team. You can also invite teammates, but it's optional. You'll be redirected to your new Teams page. On your Teams page, click the New Project button. Give your project a name. If you're on the free plan, select Team Project to proceed. If you're on the Pro plan, name your project freely. Now inside your project, click New Design File. A new tab opens with a blank canvas. Click the file name in the top bar to rename your file. This is your design workplace. You can now start adding shapes, text, or importing assets. If you want to speed things up, use Figma's free templates. Go back to your project folder. Under the New Design File button, click See All, and browse and select a template to customize for your needs. If you have a free plan, you got one project and 3 files max, and Pro plan, unlimited projects and design files. And that's it, you're now set up and ready to create awesome designs in Figma. Would you like a quick visual checklist or a downloadable beginner's PDF guide? Let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.